Here's a demo to schedule price updates. Do you want to do discounts for the holidays, for Black Friday, any particular holiday? And you want to have the strike through deal show up here, which is using the compare at functionality in Shopify. Here is an automation to do that. As usual, you can find this in the automation demo section of the blog. Here's the demo in question. So there is a 2 workflow process using Airtable, and we've got the template there for you that you can use as well. The first workflow is going to save your products and your variants from Shopify into Airtable so you can have a place to update them all in one go in here. So we've pulled everything in, and let's change this one, for example. Let's change a couple of these. So you go through, you can make all those changes. You can use the formula too. Airtable's pretty good with formulas. So you can use a formula, and then you could just plug in percentages and things like that if you don't want to do it manually. Airtable's pretty cool in general. And then when you run that on a particular product, it'll pull in, this is going to overwrite the change that I just made because it's going to pull in the pricing from Shopify. So we just pulled that in. And then, so for example, if we were to change that and run the test, now this, you're going to schedule this to run on, say Black Friday, something like that. And this max records, you can go up to 100 on this. If you have more than 100 products, we need to tweak this for you to handle all of them. But for testing, it's real handy to just do one at a time, let's say, so that we can test out this workflow. And so let's do that. So we change that to, and it'll show you here which product it pulled in. That's going to pull those in this order, and let's refresh it. There we go. So then you got the 15 in there. That's how it works. You probably will want to do a time travel on this one. So that'll let you run this. Once you've tested it once or twice, you can run it against all the products in your catalog so that you can get them all pulled in. Here's the template. And so you can see that here, and then you can click on this link, and that'll take you to a screen that looks like this, and then you can duplicate that base in order to use it for yourself. And when you install this template, it'll prompt you to plug in your Airtable credentials and everything like that. Oh, let me show you that real quick. To get the Airtable credentials, you're going to just go into Account, Developer Hub, and you're going to go into Personal Access Tokens. They're transitioning these old access tokens. So you do a Personal Access Token, and then you create one, and you want to just give it all these scopes, all those guys, and then add your bases in there that you want it to be able to grab, and then you'll be good to go. And then that'll give you the token that you need. So hope that helps, and feel free to reach out if you need any assistance. Thank you.